Okay, so today we're going to be changing the brake light on a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. So you pop the trunk. Right in here, there's a latch. This gives you access to the back of the light. There's 1, 2, and 3 nuts you take off. Those are 10 millimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those off quick. Okay, now that those are out, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this wire here. See if I can do it with one hand. There's a little tab on the bottom you got to push in. So let's see. And there, I was able to do that with one hand. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out. You can see it latches onto that little thing right there in the back. Just slides on out. All right, pull it out. Just pop this little rubber thing out. Okay, so with that off and out of there, this one right here is the brake light. So turn it. We'll pop this one out too if I can. Should just turn and come out, I guess. No, guess I'll leave it in there. Just pop this one out. There's that. These bulbs just push in and twist out. So there's the old one. Get the new one. Here's a shot of that bulb. 2357. Just gonna slide that in there. I'll hook it up real quick to make sure it works before I put it back together. Alright, I got it hooked up there and sitting in the trunk. We're just gonna press the brakes and see if this thing lights up now. And there you go. So you just put it all back together the way it came apart. Simple. Alright, so there's that all back together. Brake light's working now. Here's that bulb number again, 2357. They recommend replacing both bulbs, both sides at the same time. I never do. You know, I might if I was switching them out to LEDs or something, but I'm not, so I'm just switching the broken one.